The Elementor off-canvas widget was a great addition when it came out, but it became even more interesting when we had the loop version. But I want to show you something that some people have asked for that you might never even realize that you ever wanted or how you would even go about approaching it. I'm talking about off-canvases that automatically load on a page when you go to the page, but also having a little bit of control on how many times it opens. Because if you keep revisiting the page, you don't want it to keep opening up on you. So let me just show you what you normally get with an off canvas. I've got a page over here and I've got an icon. When I click that, it's going to open up this off canvas. Off canvases are way better than using pop-ups. But the downside to it was that with pop-ups, you could set up like an initiation or activation for them. So when you go to a certain page, it would pop up. Here, you had to go and activate it. So you click the icon, and the off canvas, which is acting like a pop-up, would open. I'm going to show you a little bit of code where this will open automatically when you land on the page. But not just that, it will only open every hour. So if you keep coming back to this page 20 times in the next hour, it will only open once and it won't keep opening because that will really annoy you. But you can set the timer for that. So here's what you do. Just to remind you with how this is built, we've got a parent container. I've dropped in a heading because I just wanted to show you that you can drop and build it how you want. I've dropped in an icon. This icon, if you go over to the link, we've got the off canvas. Just to remind you how this works, if you drop in a link or a button or bit of text, you go and click the dynamic tag, scroll down to off canvas, click that, then click the spanner or the wrench, set it to be open off canvas. You may want to use close as well if you want to have an X icon somewhere, or toggle so it could be open close. I'm going to leave it as open, and then I'm going to select my off canvas widget, which is titled Launch 001. Pay attention to that title, Launch 001. Then over here we have the HTML, and I'm going to come onto that after I've showed you the off canvas. So you would obviously go and type in off, you get the off canvas widget, you drop it on your page. This is a pretty simple one. I've gone and set it to be center. I could have aligned it to the left or right or even top and bottom. I've just gone for center, so it behaves like a pop-up. I've then set the width to be 70, so it's not all the way across, and the height is fit to content. You can mess around with it. Entrance animations, leaving animations, animations. We're fading out, fade out in, whatever I've got over there. You can go and mess around with that. What I want you to focus on, though, is that the title of this is also called Launch 001. So when you hit the icon, it's going to open up that particular one. If I then go into this actual off canvas and we go into the container, I've just dropped in a heading into there. Mess around with the styling, the alignment, justifies, whatever you want to do. Okay, this is, you can pop in background images, you can pop in an elemental form. There's a lot you can do. But when you go to the advanced tab, there is no ID, there is no class name, there's no custom CSS either. And the same goes with the off canvas. You go to it, I haven't set any particular code up per se on that. What you do is all within the HTML. So what we're going to do is go to the off canvas, go to that, and I'm just going to say take off the edit mode. Sometimes if you forget that, just refresh the page and you will go back to this before it's open. This HTML widget is basically this little bit of code here, and I wasn't lying about the size of the code. You will notice over here Launch 001. So if you've got like 2 or 3 off canvases on your page, but there's one particular one that you want to open the moment you land on the page, make sure you stick the name in there. And this is the bit over here where it will now only let this open every hour. So if I open it now in a browser, it will appear the minute the page loads without me having to click the icon. I mean, if I go back in again to that same page 5 minutes later, it won't open. It will open when you click the icon, and I'll explain that when we get to the preview so you can see it in its full magical motion, perfection, and all of that. But it won't reveal itself automatically until an hour has passed. And I feel like that is something you do need to take into account, because I know so many people that have got websites with auto open pop-ups, but they haven't taken into account that if I keep returning to that page, do I really want the same pop-up over and over again? It's really annoying and not great user experience. So that's the code. it's opening it up and it's basically using the launch 001. It's picking it up based on that. So just change that bit there. If you want to have it like a reset every hour, sorry, not every hour, every day, change the 60 over there to be 24, but leave it as 60 because I think once an hour, when you go to that page is pretty reasonable. Right, just hit publish. So I'm now going to go to my test page and you should see that pop up appear when the page loads. There you go. I know it wasn't instant. It felt like there was like a split second delay, but come on, that they all kind of do that. But that pop-up has now appeared, and that was by me just going to the page. If I now leave that and I now refresh my page, and that's exactly what I'm doing here right now, that pop-up does not appear. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to go here and I'm going to click refresh, and it will not load up until an hour of my time and my life has passed away. But if at any point you do want to open it, because it was set to be the icon, I can click it and it will now reappear. So even though I've said only let it appear every hour, you can still manually open it up. But that little bit of code now means that off canvases can act like a pop-up that opens when the page loads, but you could set it so that there's a bit of a delay so it doesn't keep repetitively opening to annoy the user. I hope you like that. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. Like, subscribe, keep sharing and following. I'll see you soon.